Right now, for the past couple months, from mid-spring, I'd say, I started a home cleaning service, and it's a seasonal business. So for this one, it can essentially run only during the hot or not cold months, at least, from spring to about fall. And then after fall, when winter hits, I get to just piss off and focus on learning more, working on whatever other business I've got going on, and working on just growing everything else, like network, money, anything. Probably not money because the business isn't going, but of course you'd find something else to do. And for me, my personal goal doesn't really have to do with working for a season, but I can see how it can help anyone else. Say you're in school, say you just don't like the cold months like I do, or say you only like the cold months and you just want to relax in the summers. A seasonal business is for you, because all the customers are going to be at it for one season, for the season that you're selling. So that way you're going to maximize all the money that you're going to make, because you wouldn't be able to make any money. Say you're doing gutter cleaning, you wouldn't make anything on the winter. You'd make it all from spring through fall. That's where all the money would be coming in. So then winter, you can just travel or stay at home, or if you're in school, you can go into school, or if you've got maybe even another seasonal business, you can work on that. I realize the lifestyle it can bring for some people is honestly pretty sweet. Say I were to just do this for the rest of my life, I can work when it's warm, and I can sit inside or just do whatever when it's cold. Now, there's two types of seasons. There's, of course, the weather season, like summer, spring, fall, winter, and then there's also life seasons. So for example, what I've been doing is one season so far, because right now I'm still in school. So one season would be learning primarily more about business and doing these kind of things, learning more about sales, leads, all these kind of things, money, finances, just anything that would make the business bigger when I start a new one, or things that would apply to any business and that would make me more money. So that would be called an off season, where you're learning, you're essentially growing, and you're just trying to better yourself and be prepared for when the on season comes. And then the on season is essentially where you're just working nonstop and you're just bringing in the money. I appreciate you watching the video. I hope you got something out of it. And with all that being said, enjoy the rest of your day.